Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, April 1st. And no April Fool's joke today by the market. As they make new highs, they teased us for a bit in K&L, and then M finally takes out the poor high and explodes. Now, we didn't get the extension we got last Friday, but we got more. We got some pretty good extension. I really thought, because we hadn't cleansed out the market a lot, that when L took out K's low and M started down here, I thought if M traded below L's low, we had a chance to flush to value low. But once M's second 15-minute bar took out the first 15-minute bar, you could sense the tempo and momentum picking up, and they exploded. We were looking at the $400 puts that were trading at 25 cents. Once it did that, I didn't take the trade, but they went up to, let me see, I think they went up to 90 cents from 25 cents. Well, they're 84-cent bid, offered at 88 right now. So once again, it would have been a nice trade. I would not have taken that one today. I didn't expect this, as opposed to last Friday when it looked like it was going to rip. I had a good day today, and believe it or not, I didn't trade much. I actually had good trades in triple Q. I made 2 trades in triple Qs and 2 in SPY. That's it. That's it. So let's start. Let's start with Russell, since I didn't do any trades. Russell ends 11 wide. They raised their POC because of M's actions at the end. They go out with a price probe. Now, Russell was battling the 20-day moving average around the 223.50 or 60 level. Well, they explode through it and close above it. So that's one big level they got above. So now we'll see the next level for them is really around the 320. I keep saying 3, the 228 level. Now let's go to triple Qs. And they did not gap higher today, Russell. And they took out both sides of their IB. Triple Qs not only gapped higher, it was a large gap. But when they drove up, they got to around the, I said to the room, around the 324.50 level is a very, very visual level. It's a previous month's high. It's a balance high on the weekly. I said I'll take a short against. I took the 325 puts against that in triple Qs, and the trade worked out very good as it stopped right where I thought it would and pulled back. And then later in the day, when it pulled back again, I said I will be looking for a long in H at value low, getting away from POC. I said we're 8 wide. I expect this to go back to 9 wide, hold the opening, hold the gap, and that's exactly what it did. I bought the 322 calls and worked it all the way back to POC at the time, which sees low. So that worked out really, really nice for me. So 2 nice trades in triple Qs. Now let's go to SPY and ES. We gap higher, incredibly hold the gap. It's only 18 cents. Very small gap. Believe it or not, SPY goes out with a trend day. 2 cents, but it goes out with a trend day as they hold B single prints. I know ES does not. We are only 8 wide. Let me update this. We do not go out 9 wide in SPY. We're 8 wide only in SPY. Let me just get this updated. There it goes. SPY is only 8 wide. You can see that just, look at this. They're just pushing higher in end period. So when I give the destinations, I'm not sure what the overnight high is going to be yet, and I am leaving before 8 o'clock, so I might not even have it right for Monday morning. So what were my trades in SPY? It was a long in B period, when we were one-time framing up, when we pushed back. I didn't think we were going to have singles that held, but we pushed back enough where I got long to 398 calls and took those up for a nice win. And then in E period, the only other trade I took was a short in E. We were getting no tempo, no nothing, so I took a short in E and took that back to where we got to our pocket that time. And that was it. Because once we started going higher, I was thinking about fading new highs, but I was like, SPX got 4,000. We didn't get 400 in SPY yet. I'm like, they're going to get it. Well, they kept playing games. They never did it. I would have taken a long probably in H's low in SPY if it had gotten a little lower, but it didn't, and that's why I took that trade in triple Qs at the time. And then we went back, and then they just continually played this game, and that was it. I had a good day on 4 trades, and nothing else excited me, so I didn't take anything. So let's go to destinations for Monday. SPY has, well, they're going to have 2 now. They have today's all-time high, which is a weekly high at 400. Yeah, I can't believe I'm saying 400. 400.67, and then whatever our overnight high is, which right now is at least, I have this in fours, 400.89. Before I leave tonight, I'll write down whatever it is at that time. For the downside, well, we have a price probe, K's high. So $400 on the nose is your price probe from today. Then I have the afternoon pullback low, which is H's low, 399.33. My single prints, 398.79, get filled at 77. And then today's low of 398.18. And then, let's go to the charts. Again, I'm just going to, well, most likely I'm going to just show you SPY. But let's see, since this is a fairly short video. Okay, here's SPY. Monthly, one time framing up. This is month 6. Healthy, very healthy. Weekly, just broke out of a 4-week balance to the upside. Up in the weekly, all-time high. And then daily, up, one time framing up. 5 days, gap is my main focus. So all 3 time frames, incredibly healthy and up. Now Russell, real quickly, monthly is up, one time framing up, 6 months. This is the start of the 7th. Weekly is still balanced. Now here's the important thing. Inside week in Russell. So if they come out of it to the upside, well, then we have a chance to start trying to break out of, to get to that 228 level. Now just because we close at the high of the week, doesn't mean we're coming out of an inside week to the upside, but it is an inside week. And daily, they're up, one time framing up 2 days, and they're above the 50 and the 20. Triple Qs, there's still a market imbalance on the monthly and the weekly. The next big level on the weekly, now they close just above this weekly, but one day doesn't make a market. I want to see what they do on Monday. If they get extension, then the next stop would be the 327.80 level and filling the gap at 328.36 on the weekly. And in the daily, certainly up. One time framing up 2 days. We have 2 gaps on my main focus, and they're above all 3 of the 50, 20, and 200-day moving averages. Hope you had a great day trading. Happy Easter if you're celebrating it. Have a great, long, safe weekend. And we'll speak prior to the opening on Monday.